Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Poro Metisto DMT01 Precision Digital Pressure Gorg. Plus minus 5 psi, plus minus 34.47 kilopascal, with 12 units, which you can use from and choose from. It is an HVAC differential pressure gorg with plus minus 0.3 perton. FS dual port gas pressure tester with a backlight function. Data keeping, manual zero balance. Wow. The high precision multifunctional digital pressure gorg here. Reliable measurement for the professionals out there. The DDM T01 is a handy professional differential pressure gorg for measuring positive and negative pressure, with a measuring range of plus minus 5 psi and a high accuracy of 0.3%. The repeatability should be more than plus minus 0.2%. It is ideal for HVAC systems, automatic repairs, pipeline testing, pressure tests on boilers, and in the petrochemical industry. The perfect solution for demanding industrial and commercial applications. We have 12 selectable print units. It can be used worldwide without conversion because the device supports 12 common print units: PSI, MBAR, KPA, INH2O, MMHG bar, KG/CM in Kim square, INHG, OZ/IN square, FTH2O, CMH2O. You see a lot of units you can choose from. The unit button allows us to switch between the units at lightning speed, either for use in different countries and industries. Annoying conversation is eliminated. The work becomes more efficient. And real-time monitoring of a maximum, minimum, and an average value. We press the REC button to enter the real-time measurement mode. The device automatically records and displays the MAX for maximum, MIN for minimum, and AVG for average values. Perfectly suited for monitoring pressure fluctuations. We start up through our lead test. We always keep the pressure dynamic of our system. And manual zero balancing, plus data storage, plus adjust without the shut-off function. With the special zero button, it's possible, so we can set the value to 0 by pressing it for 2 seconds. For process differential pressure measurement without environmentally influence, the data's retention function hold fixes the current measurement value for simple documentation. The freely adjustable auto-off from 5 up to 60 minutes, also deactivatable as possible. It protects our battery. The LCD display with a backlight allows a clear readability even in the dark. The relative time display shows the measurement time in real time, ideal for time-critical tests. It comes here with the complete accessory, ready for immediate use, included all what you need. The pressure gorg is there, music manual, storage bag, high quality, the gift box. You do the 2 connection hoses, no additional accessory are needed. Ready to measure immediately. Then start unpacking, perfect for professional users or as a high quality gift. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me your positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.